This video will show you how to use sensor to print automatically. First, you need to set the print setting. Press print and print setting. You need to set reverse on, upside on, photoelectricity on, distance off. Control must be by timing and delay. You can set about 1 second speed as 1,600 points per second. Print times with 4/9 and print interval as 10 point. Jet time, that's about the letter boldness. You can set 1 and 2 and 3. The number bigger is then the letter will be bolder. Now we can print. The better is that you use the sensor with the conveyor, which can control the product moving at an even speed. And you need to let the product go through the sensor and the print head also at an even speed, so that the text will not be transformed.